friends, and I hope you had a good trading day yesterday. Yesterday, honestly, there was a good movement in the market. Uh, Market opened at the top. It could not move above 46,000 and went, hit low of 45,600. In fact, at this point, I think somewhere here we mentioned that huge selling is coming and there's another second push which might happen uh, somewhere at 11:20. Let us just go back and see. Mm, of course, these are the trades also. uh, we had shared one State Bank of India SBI call 660 about 22. This made a high of 30, and that was a wonderful trade. Apart from that, Canara Bank we had shared. uh, ICICI put did not get triggered. This was the Bank Nifty put 46,000 around 11:20. I think we had a big fall coming. Yeah, this is where we said big fall is coming, and there was a huge fall there. Trades Canara Bank we are also holding. We are still holding HDFC Life. HDFC put we shared, which hit our targets. DLF 32 to 40 levels was hit. Canara Bank from 22 32 was hit. Uh, Initially, there was no proper trade, no inventory management. So market was highly, post that with this base from 33,333, it hit 400 in very short time. Post that we mentioned at 40, market may reverse back to 45,800, and once I want banking to move up, then I might see the P big moves. So we waited for this 45,800 levels, and couple of times we took puts there because we saw huge selling post that end of the day. There's a good short covering rally. Market was trading in this channel. It hit 45,800 once, came down, 45,840 once, came down. Then, the bulls decided that enough is enough. They took the market up. So right now, if you notice the market from the last few days, it has been trading only in this range. Now today is RBI policy. We need to see whether the price is going to move down or move up. So for today, the important levels are going to be 46,088 on the upside. On the downside, I see 45,760. So below this, we might see some big moves, either on the downside or on the upside. What we can also see by the chart here, one breakout was done here yesterday. This is the range it has been trading with, or this is the pattern. Possibly that market may again retest this level, move down, or retest this level 46 and then move down also, which you need to observe and trade accordingly. We will look at the data of the big players in the live market and then decide what side to trade, whether to buy, put, call, and then we will trade accordingly. Currently, we are holding one position which is on the long side, with hedge on the with the options. This is the SBI rally which we witnessed. Big rally here from for 650, 657, 679 or 6. So it's really a big rally. In fact, our subscribers mentioning, I've never seen a big rally like this in during the non result days. Result days, yes, you will see 3% move on that, but SBI moving like this uh, with no news is really, you know. So let us see how the RBI policy will be, but definitely there is going to be huge volatility. I'm looking at these stocks. I'm looking at Punjab National Bank. I'm looking at Bajaj Finserv. I'm looking at Divis Lab. Divis Lab, if 3,750 moves above 147, then I might look at targets of 355 plus. Looking at persistent, Balram Chini, Granules, Marico, OFSS, uh, Cummins India. Cummins India, we had shared a long some time back, has been really moving up the last 10 days or so. It has, in fact, broken the all-time highs, if I'm right. Metropolis also I'm looking at. So this will expecting these are my watch list. If any other observations, I'll bring it here and then trade accordingly. Uh, Let us look at Nifty. Nifty yesterday also, if you also notice Nifty also has been primarily trading in this range itself. We don't see big any big moves. We just uh, we've been trading in this box, you can say. So we will wait today. We'll see how. For me today in uh, Nifty for me the most important. What do you say? The possible levels are 21,988. I will see if I want to look at, if we need a look at upside, we need price able to sustain about 21,988. This is a very important level. Then we will see 22,000. I'm expecting possibly market to hit 22,000 or almost at the open, or at least 21,990, and hit 22,025, and then we may see some correction and then upwards. This is what I am expecting. However, for me, the most important levels for today would be 21,988, 21,870. These two levels are going to be very important. Apart from that, we shall look at uh, the data, the chart pattern, how it creates, uh, and then trade accordingly. Uh, if you ask the pattern yesterday, this this was the pattern created after some time. This price was just hitting this uh, what do you call the lower the trend line and then reversing. You kind of can make, if you notice, this also looks like a cup and a handle. So we'll see if the cup and handle is completely formed, and we'll see upside move. Uh, if everything goes well, then market should see some good, nice upside moves, one-sided move also, uh, and then we shall trade accordingly. Possibly we may see gap up. Let us hope this view sustains. Whatsoever the view is, we will trade as per levels. Uh, for Reliance, if 2892, okay, 2892 above, I'm looking at good longs for targets of 289 2902, and for lower side I'm looking at 2868 or 28 below 2877 or 67. I may We may see some bit of shorts coming towards 2870, 2860 or 58 also. So we will watch these levels today and Reliance. HFC, I'm still bearish. We took puts yesterday. You see the kind of downside move it has given, a very good rally. Today it may recover a bit and sustain. We shall just watch at the moment. IRCTC, I would suggest uh, to add, uh, has given a definitely a big bearish candle. Most of the people are looking at this stock for long term. My suggestion is just to wait for this to move down, create a pattern like this, maybe 880 levels, and then add 880 levels and 840 levels. These are most important where you can add, and then we may see upside. But this will be a stock which we may have to hold for a couple of months to years also. So a long-term good stock, fundamentally strong. But again, it depends on how the market reacts, how the FIs, the big players, want to keep this. They always try to throw the weak player, the retailers, the weak players. They may bring it down to even 750 so that most of us exit and then they start going up. So this is how market is. Let us be careful.